Hello and welcome to Yes You Can DIY Digital Marketing by TTG. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a post to your Google business profile. So I'm starting here. You'll notice the URL is google.com/business. So you can go there and then click on sign in, or if you're already on Google and logged in, you'll come here to this menu and choose Business Profile Manager. So this client has two listings because one's a duplicate. So we're going to disregard this one. This one is the active listing. So to add an update or what's also called a post, you can click here on this icon and it gives you the option to add a description, add a photo, and then you can add a button, which is optional, but we do recommend adding a button. A call to action is always a good idea. So I'm just copying and pasting the description I already had written. And I have a photo all ready to go that I want to put on this post. Now, sometimes on the button option, we will choose learn more, and maybe we're going to drive them to the client's specials page, or maybe we're going to drive them to a blog, for example. And as you can see, there are other options to book, order online, buy, sign up, and call now. I think they're all pretty straightforward. If you want more calls, call now is a great option. We'd like to mix it up for this client. So for this one, I am going to choose call now. And you'll notice that it populates the phone number and it's disabled, so you can't change it. Google requires that the phone number connected to your post is only the phone number that is associated with your Google business profile. So they will not give you the option to add a different phone number. So now I have everything in place here, but before I post, I like to preview to make sure everything looks good. And this looks great. Has my description. It has the call now button. Now I'm not going to click on call now because then it would try to actually call and try to connect an app. But whenever you have a link, make sure you click on that button and test it and make sure that it's going to the correct link that you want it to go to. So I'm going to go ahead and click on post. And now it gives me a message letting me know that my update is being reviewed. So if you post anything that goes against Google's content guidelines, they will send you an email letting you know about it. So sometimes the change is fairly quick, even immediate. Other times it might be several minutes. So I recommend coming back to check if it's not here when you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and click here on the name of the business. You can also click here and see your profile. Either way, it'll take you to the same place. And then there it is. So notice that this part of the image is showing, it shows the logo and it gets cut off here. You want to be mindful of sizing your photos. We recommend 1200 by 900. There's really not a perfect size for this because here it's showing a preview. And if you click on this, it shows black bars on either side, and then it does show the full image from top to bottom. There's no way to set a different image for this versus the preview. This does look a lot better on mobile, and people do tend to use Google Business Profile on mobile, so it's not a big concern, but be aware that it's going to be difficult to get your image sizing perfect. So like I said, we recommend 1200 by 900 pixels to at least get most of your information within that window that it's allowing you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. If you also hit the bell, you'll get notifications when we release new videos. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.